Hello, my name is Alfredo Montes, and this is my Purpose Pechacucha presentation. My purpose statement is to start a non-profit organization to build homes in third world countries. And a personal goal of mine is to become an architectural designer and build homes in third world countries. A career goal of mine is to become an architectural designer. And my educational goal is to get my master's degree in architectural design. My long-term personal goal is to become an architectural designer. This is important to me because my father is in the construction world and it'll be great for me to retire him. People that have influenced me and supported me have been my mother, my father, and my siblings. They have been a huge help in getting to where I want to be and finding out what I want to do with my life, and they truly have been a blessing. This goal relates to my purpose statement because becoming an architectural designer will help fund for the nonprofit organization to build homes in third world countries, and this is something that I believe in and something that holds great value to me because I believe we should all help the less fortunate. An obstacle that could potentially prevent me from achieving this long-term personal goal would be not graduating from college and not getting my architectural design degree. This would prevent me from starting my nonprofit organization and stop me from my purpose statement. My long-term academic goal is to get my master's degree in architectural design. This is important to me to start my nonprofit organization to help the less fortunate. And from personal experience, coming from Colombia, which is a country of poverty, I could see how much it could really help and influence people to also help third world countries. This goal relates to my purpose statement because becoming an architectural designer will help fund for my nonprofit organization to build homes in third world countries. This holds great value to me, and I believe I am talented in drawing, and being an architectural designer does come into play with drawing. A possible obstacle that can prevent me from achieving this long-term academic goal is mental health, stress, and anxiety. I believe that a lot of college students do drop out because of the amount of stress that they undergo, and keeping a level head definitely plays a big role in achieving my goals. A long-term career goal of mine would be to build my first building in a major city like New York or Philadelphia. This is a long-term career goal that I hope to achieve one day. This is important to me because I would like to someday show my kids the building that I designed. From personal experience, I have seen buildings from colleagues that they have designed, and it's been a huge inspiration, and I hope to achieve that one day. This goal relates to my purpose statement because designing across seas and in less fortunate areas could be difficult, not knowing the country, not knowing the terrain, not knowing the ecosystem. So getting more and more practice in somewhere where I'm more comfortable could help me across seas and could definitely bring a huge value to the table. An obstacle that can eventually prevent me from achieving this long-term goal would be social anxiety and stress that students undergo. Two specific Clifton strength themes would be self-assurance and command, which would help me overcome this obstacle. Self-assurance pushing me through, and command being a leader at everything that I believe in doing. Valencia is going to help me accomplish these goals by graduating from Valencia and moving on to UCF, which will eventually allow me to get my master's degree in architectural design. Thank you.